So one of the most common questions we hear from gardeners is, how long does it actually take for strawberry plants to produce berries? And some people, they plant their strawberry plants and then they expect fruit right away, while others, they've been told that they need to wait a full year before harvesting anything. And both ideas are common and both can leave a gardener very confused. So here on the farm, what we've seen is that the answer depends largely on the type of strawberry plants that you're growing and the growing conditions surrounding those plants. So strawberry plants are not all designed to produce in the same way. So some strawberry plants produce one large harvest each year, while others are capable of producing berries steadily throughout the season. So when gardeners understand these differences, expectations become much clearer and growing strawberries becomes much easier. So over the years, we've noticed that most strawberry plants fall into three main groups. There's Junebearing, Everbearing, and day-neutral strawberry plants. Now, each one follows a different production pattern. So the Junebearing strawberry plants are the traditional garden strawberry plants. These strawberry plants are designed to produce one large harvest each year, usually in the late spring or early summer. And during the first season, a Junebearing strawberry plant often focuses on building strong roots and runners rather than producing fruit. So in many gardens, Junebearing plants produce their first full harvest the second year after planting. So when they reach maturity, however, they can produce a very heavy crop over a short period of time, often lasting about 2 to 3 weeks. So a healthy Junebearing strawberry plant can produce around a half a pound of berries or more during that harvest window. For gardeners who enjoy making jam or preserving berries, Junebearing plants can be a great choice because most of the fruit ripens at the same time, and this makes it easier to harvest a large amount all at once. Now, Everbearing strawberry plants behave a little differently. So instead of producing one large crop, these strawberry plants tend to produce two main harvests during the season. So one harvest often arrives in late spring and another later in the summer or early fall. So Everbearing strawberry plants may produce smaller harvests at each flush and adding up to around 1/4 to a half a pound of berries per plant across the whole season. Now the day-neutral strawberry plants, they are different again. And these strawberry plants are not strongly controlled by the day length the way that the other strawberry plants are. So instead, a day-neutral strawberry plant produces flowers whenever the plant has enough energy and the temperatures are favorable. So this makes day-neutral strawberry plants especially useful for gardeners who want fresh berries throughout the season instead of one large harvest all at once. So here on the farm, we grow day-neutral strawberry plants because we enjoy harvesting fresh berries over a long period of time rather than all at once. Our day-neutral strawberry plants begin growing in April and they usually begin blooming in May, and we are typically harvesting fresh berries from June through October. Now over time, I began noticing something important. When a strawberry plant is growing within a balanced system with consistent moisture, healthy living soil, proper sunlight, and the right variety, the plant often begins producing sooner than most gardeners expect. So strawberry plants naturally want to reproduce, and when the plant feels stable and has the energy it needs, flowering begins and fruit soon follows. So that observation changed how we approach growing strawberries. Instead of simply waiting and hoping a strawberry plant would eventually produce, we focused on creating the conditions that allowed the plant to move into production quickly. What we've seen is that the day-neutral strawberry plants, when grown in the right conditions, can begin flowering in about 4 weeks, and the first ripened berries can appear around 8 weeks from planting. So if you'd like to learn the basics of our strawberry growing system we use here on the farm, go ahead and download the free guide, 8 weeks to your first strawberries, the high-performance strawberry growing system for first season harvest. It's a simple system that removes the guesswork and waiting. And you can find this guide in the link in the description below.